Sandra, and today I'll be showing you how to add a slit in any seam. You can add this type of slit into a center front seam, a side seam, a center back seam, any seam that runs the length of your garment all the way to the hemline. This is my favorite type of slit to sew because it is so easy. All you need to do is finish the raw edge of both pattern pieces that you're sewing together with either a zigzag or a serger stitch. I'll be using a serge stitch. Then single needle the seam closed up until where you want your slit to start. After that, press the seam open and top stitch the extra seam allowance down on either side of the slit. Let me show you how I added a center front slit to this caftan dress. What I'm going to do is just sew along the edge to finish the center front on both sides of the front. We're just going to finish the raw edge. We're not going to sew the seam closed. Before we close the center front seam, I need to put a pin where my slit should start. And that way I know I'll be sewing to there and stopping. Then I can press open the slit and then top stitch these edges down. And that's all for adding a slit to any seam. So no matter if it's a tunic top, a dress, a skirt, or even a pair of pants, you can add a slit detail to any of those garments as long as it has a seam all the way down to the hemline. Make sure you like and subscribe for future sewing tutorials, tips, and